Hi guys, I'm going to demonstrate today how to find and submit assignments on Google Classroom. So once you're on the Google home screen, first things first is you need to look at these little icons right here and you need to scroll down until you find the Google Classroom icon and click on it. So once you've done that, any classrooms that you've joined will display here. Now, for our intents and purposes, as a student, I've only joined my second class, so I'm going to click on that and find what my teacher has assigned for me. First thing it will bring you to is your class's home page, which is the stream page. Now, what shows up here is anything that any questions your classmates have made public, any announcements your teachers have made, which your classmates can respond to, or you can respond to as well, or the assignments. Now, if you don't feel like scrolling through to actually find your assignment, the easiest thing to do is to either look at this upcoming tab right here, or simply go to the top of the page and click classwork. For what your teachers can do is they can actually filter your assignments by topics. So since we just started using Google Classroom, the only topic I have here is Cry the Beloved Country, which is a novel we're reading in Second right now. If I want to view the assignment, I can either click here, or if I simply want to see what's required of me, I'm going to click View Your Work at the top. Now, the thing that shows up on the side says Assigned, Returned with Grade, or Missing. So the Assigned tab is going to show me anything that's been assigned that I have not turned in yet. Returned with Grade are any assignments that I've returned with my teacher's grade and comments on it. And Missing is anything that I have not turned in yet, whether it was due already or not. So let me find out what my teacher has assigned for me for the week of March 16th. Now, if something shows up here with your name on it, that means that your teacher has assigned a specific document that you can edit. But let me just click View Details to understand what is exactly expected of me. So in this space right here, your teacher can actually write the instructions or attach instructions for everybody to view. Your classmates can add comments to which your teacher can respond directly, or if you want, you can actually add a private comment for your teacher to see if you don't want to ask the question for your classmates to see. You can also see how much this assignment's worth right here. And now, if your teacher has assigned something for you to edit directly, which means that you have a personal copy of the assignment, it will show up right here. If nothing shows up here, that means that you are required to add or create an assignment to submit. So, if you have already created the assignment through Google Drive, you can click here and it will bring you to your Google Drive for you to add it to the assignment. A link perhaps to a YouTube video that you've created or something of that nature you can add here, or a file. Maybe you have a PDF of your document or Microsoft Word or another processing tool that you want to add the file from. You click there. Now if you want to create anything new from the Google platform, all you have to do is add here and it will bring you to that screen. Now my teacher has assigned for me an assignment already. So I'm going to click on that, and what displays here is a document that I can edit directly. So I am directly editing my document in real time. Now, remember that for Google, everything saves automatically. So as long as this displays right here, I know that I can X out and come back to it anytime I want to, and I'm not going to lose my work. So I am completely, now that that has been edited, I am completely satisfied with the work that I'm turning in. I've checked and edited all spelling errors. So what I can do now is I can either click this button here and say turn in, or since I know everything has been saved in Google, just simply X out. Now, I've gone back and I've looked and I've made sure that everything is perfect. So what I'm going to do now is just click turn in my assignment. And voila, my teacher gets my assignment. I've submitted it on time or a little bit late, but just be aware that if you submit an assignment late, your teacher will be notified. But what I forgot to do was I actually forgot a part of my assignment. So I don't want to submit incomplete work, so I'm going to click unsubmit. And now my teacher will get a notification that my work has been unsubmitted. Or if they don't have that notification on, they will see that your work has not been turned in and they will not grade it until it has been submitted. This has been Ms. Franchetti. I hope that you've learned and that this was helpful in understanding how to submit and find assignments on Google Classroom. Please let me or your teacher know if you have any questions. Thanks.